your go-to channel for health and fitness tips.
Welcome to FitPulse, your go-to destination for all things health and well-being. Today, we're about to dive into a subject that's as refreshing as it is fascinating: the wonderful world of green tea. You see, green tea is like that motivational pep talk in a cup. But before we spill the tea on all the awesome benefits of this brew, let's have some fun. Exciting, isn't it? We've crafted 3 mind benders for you. Share your answers in the comments below. Remember, if you pay close attention to the video, you'll breeze through these questions. We'll keep you eagerly waiting before unveiling the correct answers. Time to test your knowledge. It's quiz time, folks. Question 1. What's the key component in green tea that makes it a superhero for your health? A. Vitamin C. B. Caffeine. C. Antioxidants. Now, let's move on and talk about how green tea can help you kick stress to the curb. Feeling stressed or anxious? We've all been there. But here's the good news. Question 2. What magical element in green tea can help you keep stress at bay? A. Fairies. B. L-theanine. C. Unicorn dust. Now, let's spill the tea on another fantastic benefit of our Emerald Elixir. It's a fat-burning powerhouse. That's right, green tea can help you shed those extra pounds. Question 3. Which component in green tea is known to give your metabolism a boost and aid in weight loss? A. Serotonin. B. Chlorophyll. C. Catechins. Green tea is like that trusty friend who's got your back when you're looking for that extra push to stay fit and active. But what else can this super brew do for you? Well, green tea isn't only about sipping, it's about supercharging your health and well-being. The key component in green tea that makes it a health superhero is antioxidants. They're like the protective shield for your body. Antioxidants swoop in and save the day by neutralizing those pesky free radicals. L-theanine is the magical element in green tea that helps you keep stress at bay. It is like a soothing lullaby for your mind. It promotes relaxation without drowsiness. Catechins is the component in green tea that's your metabolism's best friend. They help your body burn fat more efficiently. So, there you have it, the magical world of green tea and its incredible benefits. Remember, it's not just a beverage, it's a lifestyle. Keep sipping, keep smiling, and we'll reveal the quiz winners in our next video. Until then, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay tuned to FitPulse.